the Bronze Award for the institution. Category CSR COVID Protection Project goes to Association of Maharashtra Obstetric and Gynecological Societies for their project AMOGS Raksha Suraksha.
The project focuses to bring the latest updated scientific evidence regarding COVID-19 to obstetricians and gynecologists throughout Maharashtra and the rest of India. I would like to invite Dr. Nandita Palshetkar and Dr. Arun Nayak to receive the award. Dr. Nandita, your mic is on mute.
Sorry. We will never learn. I think Dr. Arun Nayak, our secretary, is not well. So we have Dr. Rajendra Singh Pardesi. Can I invite him along with me?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, Dr. Rajendra Singh Pardesi, thank you for being here. And on behalf of AMOGS, which is the Association of Maharashtra OBGYN Society, I'm really grateful to the IHW Council and especially Kamal. I think thank you very much for appreciating the work that we're doing. We are an association of gynecologists, which is 8,000 strong. Oh my God, 1 minute. Sorry. We are an association of gynecologists, which is 8,000 strong. And we are committed to women's healthcare. And this COVID has been very testing because during the COVID times, all kinds of healthcare was not accessible, was very difficult to access, especially for women. And we as gynecologists have taken a lot of care. We have done a lot of things during COVID to help our population, which we take care of. There are a few things which I would really like to tell you is that especially the reproductive health and the sexual health, the WHO had concerns whether this kind of help would reach the women. And we have touched nearly 20 lakh children in talking to them about adolescent health care, about mental health care. We have taken care of anemia in the women. We have delivered more than 2,000 COVID positive women, and all our gynecologists have worked in the front line and given care. Not only that, we've also collected money so that we can give PPEs, etc., to our frontline workers, because all our children, all our kids were working in the medical colleges absolutely without any protection. And especially in the first wave, I think we mobilized all our societies. We have 42 societies in the different cities, and each society worked towards giving the care. Then the other thing that I really want to talk about is that we have been working towards maternal mortality rate. Remember that 30 years ago in our country, it was nearly 600 women died per year out of 10,000. And today it's only 113. And it is the effort of all the gynecologists along with the government. So AMOGS, especially in Maharashtra, the rate has come down to 113, which is what the SDGs are expecting. It is much lower than what is expected in SDG 2020. And I think we are very proud to say that our association has played a major role. And during this pandemic, especially the domestic violence where the women are in an environment where they do not get protection, they're scared. We have launched helplines and we have reached out to the women so that they can get assistance wherever necessary. And I think these are some of the things that we've really helped out, and especially Dr. Rajendra Singh Pardesi's pet project is anemia and delivery, the free delivery which he has launched, that every gynecologist must do a free delivery of a patient in the private setting nursing home. We have given quality care in the private nursing homes, which is our Lakshya Manyata project. So I'm really happy that today IHW Council has appreciated our effort, and the unsung heroes. You are felicitating us. I'm really happy. And I would just request you to give permission so that Dr. Rajendra Singh Pardesi can also come. He's taking over as the president after me in February, and I would like him to also say a few words.
Yeah, please request Dr. Rajendra.
Good evening, everybody. It's proud privilege and honor to be a part of this function. Our AMOGs, we are having more than, as Dr. Nandita Palsetkar, our president, she told, we are having more than 8,000 members, and we are working hard for women's health in all aspects, as Dr. Nandita told, and our president, Dr. Nandita, is working very hard for the women's health, and she has projected many projects. Still, the projects are going on, and we are propagating these projects. I am taking over after Nandita Palsetkar ma'am in February 2022, and we will work together. We will work together with government, and we will do activities. And thank you so much encouraging our AMOGs. Thank you so much.